The synthesis of purine or pyrimidine deoxyribonucleotide occur from ribonucleotide by reduction at the C2 of ribose moiety. This reaction is catabolized by enzyme ribonucleotide reductase. The enzyme ribonucleotide reductase itself provides the hydrogen atom needed for reduction from its sulfhydryl group. Reducing equivalents in turn are supplied by thioreduction, a monomeric protein with 2 cysteine residue, and we have already seen its picture that it has two monomer, 2R1 and 2R2, and in this there are several SH groups. NADH dependent thioredoxin reductase convert the oxidized thioredoxin to reduced form. Now this is the ribose, and this ribose at carbon number 2, this hydroxyl group, it is oxy, and this is nucleotide Na and nucleotide diphosphate, and it is ribonucleotide and is converted to deoxyribonucleotide by the removal of oxygen at carbon number 2 of the ribose for DNA. RNA contain as nucleotide but not the deoxynucleotide, and it is done by enzyme ribonucleotide reductase, and reduced thioredoxin is converting into oxidized thioredoxin because it donates hydrogen and water is removed, and these hydrogen atoms are then thioredoxin reductase, and it is regenerated by NADPH, and oxidized thioredoxin is converted to reduced thioredoxin by NADPH and which is converted into NADP. Actually, the nucleotide diphosphate, the ribonucleotide reductase having two SH group, and these SH group donate two hydrogen atom, the enzyme donate two hydrogen atom, and which combine the carbon number 2 of the ribose oxygen and is released as water. The two SH group from the enzyme donated two hydrogen atom which combine with the oxygen of ribose carbon number 2 hydroxyl group oxygen to form water, and it is reduced to deoxynucleotide diphosphate. Ribonucleotide reductase which contain sulfhydryl SH group, then it is oxidized, reduced to oxidized and having sulfhydryl SS bond. Then this enzyme also has glutaredoxin. Glutaredoxin which has and thioredoxin which has SH group, which is reduced form is oxidized. Glutaredoxin and thioredoxin has SH group which donate hydrogen to the ribonucleotide reductase to convert oxidized ribonucleotide reductase to reduce, and then glutathione reductase convert reduced form is converting into oxidized form, which is then regenerated by NADPH, and this NADPH is then converted into NADP and donated its two hydrogen atom to glutathione to reduce reduced oxidized glutathione to reduced one, and here thioredoxin reductase There are two systems. Ribonucleotide reductase is oxidized and reduced. Now reductase is then ribonucleotide thioreduction has SH group, which is then oxidized as in this case, and then this thioreduction is converting into the reduced form with the help of the FADH, and this FADH donated its hydrogen to the oxidized thioreduction and reduced it. Ribonucleotide reductase has thioreduction as well as glutareduction, and this thioreduction donated two SH group to convert reduce oxidized ribonucleotide reductase to reduced one, and itself it is oxidized. And in this case, thioredoxin reductase enzyme uses FADH2, and again it reduced thioredoxin and itself is converting into FAD, and this FAD is again reduced to FADH with the help of the NADPH. Here the hexose monophosphate shunt help the synthesis of purine as well as the pyrimidine by two means. Number one, it donate ribose 5-phosphate for the synthesis of purine and pyrimidine, and also it donate the NADPH, which is formed in the hexose monophosphate shunt pathway, which is required for the reduction of nucleotide diphosphate to deoxynucleotide diphosphate. This ribonucleotide reductase has two SH group, and it is oxidized during the conversion of NADP to deoxy NDP nucleotide diphosphate, and thioredoxin, which is a coenzyme monomeric protein, has SH group. It converts oxidized ribonucleotide reductase to reduced one, and itself is oxidized, and this thioredoxin is replenished by the enzyme thioredoxin reductase, which is done by the help of FADH2, and it converts oxidized thioredoxin to reduced one and donated its two hydrogen group, and itself is converted into FAD, and then FAD is converted again into FADH2 by NADPH, and which is oxidized to NADP. Now, hexose monophosphate shunt pathway help the synthesis of purine as well as pyrimidine by two means. Number one, by the supply of ribose 5-phosphate, and by the reduction of nucleotide diphosphate to deoxynucleotide diphosphate by providing NADPH. Now this is the regulation of nucleotide reductase. When there is ATP which activate the synthesis of UDP to deoxy UDP, and this UDP activate the synthesis of deoxy TDP to deoxy TDP to deoxy TDP, and this UDP also activate, and ATP activate the synthesis of CDP to deoxy CDP and then into the CTP. But deoxy TTP inhibit the conversion of deoxy CDP to CDP to deoxy CDP. But ATP has positive effect in the synthesis of deoxy UDP and deoxy CDP as well as deoxy CTP. The deoxy TTP, which is formed from deoxy UDP to deoxy TDP and then into the TTP, has the positive effect on the synthesis of purine DDP to deoxy GDP, but deoxy ATP GTP has inhibited the synthesis of GDP to deoxy GDP and synthesis of UDP to deoxy UDP. Deoxy ATP, when it is formed, it inhibits the synthesis of ADP to deoxy ADP, GDP to deoxy GDP, UDP to deoxy UDP, CDP to deoxy CDP. So this ATP, deoxy ATP, inhibit the synthesis of all the purine and pyrimidine ribonucleotide reductase synthesis, ribonucleotide reduction to deoxynucleotide. And this GTP has a positive effect in the synthesis of deoxy ADP to deoxy ADP, and this deoxy ATP is when formed, it inhibits the synthesis of all the here the same that a deoxy ADP when ATP is when formed, it inhibits the synthesis of GDP, UDP, CTP and TTP, deoxy TTP, and UDP activate the synthesis of CDP, TTP, and GDP activate the synthesis of a conversion of ADP to deoxy ADP. This is the degradation of purine nucleotide. Purine consists of AMP, GMP and IMP, mainly GMP and AMP. GMP by the enzyme nucleotidases is converted into guanosine, nitrogenous base and ribose, and then guanosine by an enzyme nucleoside phosphorylase is converted into nitrogen base guanine. Nucleotidases, nucleoside phosphorylases convert GMP to guanine, and the guanine contain a side amino group, and this amino group is released by deaminases, and this guanine is converting into xanthine. The adenosine monophosphate by adenylate deaminase remove amino group and is converting into inosine monophosphate, and this IMP we have learned already that this inosine monophosphate converted into AMP and aspartate donate its amino group and it converting into adenosyl succinate and then into AMP. This amino group is released which is donated by the aspartate by an enzyme adenylate deaminase. This IMP then by nucleotidases is converting into inosine and by nucleoside phosphorylases into hypoxanthine. Nucleotidases, nucleoside phosphorylases and adenylate deaminase convert AMP to hypoxanthine. Then an enzyme xanthine oxidase, which is a monooxygenase, convert water into H2O2 and convert hypoxanthine to xanthine. Then guanine also converted into degraded into xanthine and AMP is also degraded to xanthine. Then xanthine oxidase, a monooxygenase also occur on the xanthine and produce an oxo group here and convert xanthine, which has two, convert xanthine to uric acid or urate. AMP and GMP are converted to uric acid, which is excreted from the body through urine and feces, Thank you very much. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the deficiency in the degradative pathway and about the gout and the metabolic disease which are related with nucleotide synthesis, purine synthesis and degradation.